Oh my gosh, hello. Didn't see you guys there. Did that feel as corny to you guys as it did to me? Because it felt immensely corny, but you know, what's life without a little bit of corniness? It makes it fun. Anyways, hi, hello. Today, I am sharing all of my best tips, tricks, advice, pieces, things on how to be a material girl without having a material girl budget, because things cost a lot of money. Basically, the video title, the theme, is a pseudonym for how to be stylish on a budget, how to look good on a budget, how to look expensive without draining your bank account. That's all I've got, so let's do this. That's a wall of bushes over there. I wasn't going anywhere. Ooh, also, one last thing. This video is not sponsored by any of the brands I'm about to talk about. I feel like there's a lot of brands in this video that typically sponsor people, but none of this is sponsored. These are all things that I genuinely do and use, and I'm just trying to give you guys the exact recommendations. Now you know. Cool. All right. So first up, clothing rental services, I think, are one of my favorite things ever. It allows you to get new pieces in and then return them and get new things. The way clothing rental services work is you pay a monthly fee. You pick out X amount of clothes for that price. I have Rent the Runway, and I have the subscription where twice a month I get to have 4 pieces each. If I end up being really obsessed with those 4 pieces that I picked out, I don't have to do 4 new pieces and I can keep them as long as I want. You get to try out all these new things that you might not ever try before because they're expensive, or they're statement pieces, or they're out of your current comfort zone. They're from brands that maybe you've never heard of, and it's a really cool way to kind of update and spice up your wardrobe without buying a ton of things. I only have experience with Rent the Runway and Nuuly, and both I very much liked. I found that Nuuly had more affordable brands as well as mid-tier designers, and then on Rent the Runway you get a lot of higher end designers, a lot of very expensive pieces. You know, it's an opportunity to shop high to low, and you can get a piece that's like $1,200 just because you want to try out a piece that's $1,200. That was me. It was from Mason Margiela, and I really liked it. Ooh, if you're trying to be like a creator, build up relationships with brands, this is a great way to get those pieces to shoot, to style, get to post content wearing those pieces without having to buy those pieces. It's a nice little hack. That's my bonus tip. We have to do one more tip by this tree because it's so pretty, and you know, spring has sprung. Show appreciation and gratitude for the spring being sprung. In the same vein as clothing rental services, I found out that there are bag rental services, which I had no idea. And on clothing rental services, they have bags, but you guys, Vestiaire, which is the brand that I found out about, Chanel, Gucci, Dior, the expensive, you can rent them. Let's say you're going to purchase a nice luxury bag. You wish you could try it out without the sales associate like watching you like this. This is a great way to test it out, compare, contrast, decide on sizes, decide on styles. You want it for a specific period of time. This is a great way to get a cool bag, test it out without having to buy it. Again, if you're trying to build up relationships and create content, if you're trying to be a creator, trying to get hashtag sponsored, I'm not gonna lie though, why did I walk into the sun? I will say though, Vestiaire is a pricier investment than most clothing rental subscription services, but I think the price does make sense because the value of the pieces that you're getting are much pricier than typically the type of pieces that you might get on a clothing rental subscription service, but I think the price tracks. Okay, I know I can't be the only one who has an ongoing wish list of clothes that they would like, but they are pricey, they're expensive. Thus, the wish list. I have to stay in this exact strip of shadow so my face doesn't overexpose. Wait, right here. A great way to get pieces on your wish list for cheap, or at least cheaper, is to go on Poshmark and specifically search for that piece. Like, let's say it's a cool top from Revolve that your heart eyes over, you really want it, but I mean, you know Revolve is pricey. So if you go on Poshmark, regularly search for it, chances are you will end up coming across it, or at least other pieces like that. You'll get that piece without having to pay that full price tag. This is something my assistant Allegria does all the time. It's how she's gotten most of her Revolve pieces because, again, Revolve is expensive. Here, is this cute? This is cute. Hello. Another really great thing to do if you're trying to get like the Pinterest girly fits is, one, watch my last video because I show you guys how to restyle 4 different basics that you can probably find in your closet and style them in all these different ways, make super cute outfits without having to buy any new pieces. You just use what's in your closet. But beyond that, a great way to make Pinterest Instagram worthy outfits is to literally go on Pinterest, go on Instagram, look at the outfits that you have saved, go into your closet and try to recreate those outfits. Because so often we see these outfits on Pinterest or Instagram or TikTok or whatever, and we're like, oh my gosh, I wish I could have this outfit. I wish I could wear this, but I don't have X, Y, and Z. I don't have this exact piece she has. And you feel this need to buy this thing. But again, we're gonna be a material girl on a material girl budget. We're gonna use what we have. More often than not, a lot of these really cute outfits are wardrobe basics inspired, or maybe you have a piece that's similar. You can create way more of these cool, aesthetic, trendy outfits with pieces you already own without having to buy a single thing. Let's talk about getting things tailored, because having a piece that is tailored to you, your body, is everything. People are cheering in the distance. I have no idea what for. When a piece fits you, fits your body because it's been tailored for you, it looks amazing. People are really cheering for something. I want to cheer. Because more often than not, clothes just do not fit right off the rack, and that's okay. But getting things tailored can just level up a piece entirely. It makes you look more expensive. It makes you look more put together. You can have a very affordable piece, but if it's tailored to you, it's gonna look fabulous. It's going to look amazing. Find a good local tailor, and they usually have very affordable prices. Next tip is very commonly known and easy, but I just want to reiterate, this is where I find so many of my amazing pieces for an affordable price. Going thrifting, going to a curated thrift store, especially like a vintage store or just any sort of crossroads trading, a Buffalo Exchange. They are pricier. However, going to a curated thrift store yields a very high success rate. On the other hand, you can also go to a traditional thrift store. There are so many gems and things to find. Absolutely essential. I'm gonna let you guys in on one of my biggest fashion style jewelry hacks, and it's to shop at Costco. Now I know you're probably thinking, Jessica, what the heck are you talking about? Yes, Costco. Hear me out. Costco has really upped their style game. A couple weeks ago, I got very, very cute leggings. They were the perfect like set active legging dupes. I got a pair in green, a pair in blue that I gave to Alegria, and a pair in black, and they are great quality leggings. I've seen leggings that look exactly like this for $90. Tell me why I got them for $12. Every Costco is different, but I've gotten Adidas leggings there, a nice like puffer jacket, and again, all of these things are usually so expensive, but at Costco prices. Beyond clothes, they also sometimes have really nice shoes, and even beyond that, very nice jewelry. And I'm talking about jewelry, real diamonds, real gold, for a much more affordable price. It still is an investment price, but if you're trying to get something really nice, might as well save the money and go to Costco. Hi, same topic, different day, same location for continuity. So next up, we're gonna shift gears to talking about something home related. If you've been wanting to decorate your home, but you've noticed that buying art pieces can be very, very expensive, and a lot of times rightly so. However, if you were trying to just get affordable pieces to decorate your home, one way to do that is to go onto Etsy and buy digital downloads. They're digital files of those art pieces, and then you just take them to Office Max, Office Depot, Staples. You can even print them at home if you have a high quality printer and nice paper and ink and all that jazz. But basically, this is a great way to get affordable art, and it's a great way to support smaller artists who maybe don't have it within their means to do all the printing, do all the shipping, do all the stuff themselves, and you get to decorate your home in a fun, affordable way. Next up, we're going to talk about another brand that I feel like sponsors a lot of people. Hell, they've even sponsored me before, and that is Honey. Honey is it's like a shopping extension that you put on your Chrome browser, so then you don't have to spend your time going on, honestly, all of those crappy coupon websites where I feel like none of their coupons even work. So shout out to Honey, because it searches all the things for you, and then it just puts it in. If there's like a 15 or 20% off coupon, applies it, and you don't have to do anything. Here is my personal testimony. Harry Styles, I was buying some merch from his website. I did not know they had coupons sometimes, but Honey found me a 15% off coupon, and I saved 15%, which was really nice because Harry has expensive merch. As my penultimate tip, the importance of investing into outerwear and accessories instead of just buying like an expensive top and expensive pants, expensive shoes, expensive like everything, but instead investing into a couple high quality, or at least high quality looking accessories, changes the game. For example, my outfit today. Taking off my jacket, we're gonna do a little runway show. Still super cute, but watch what we can do with just a couple accessories. We've got the coat, the sunglasses, gold watch, and check this out. Makes all the difference. It really just steps it up, adds such like a level of chicness, elevation. I wish I had brought a bag along with me. Didn't think this far ahead. That crow is laughing at me for forgetting to bring my bag. Honestly, kind of rude, sir. This would have been the bag that I would have brought. So imagine I'm holding it. Ooh, she's chic. Wait, hold on. We need the sunglasses. Full effect. And our last tip takes place in this very interesting graduation-esque, ceremony-esque type spot. We're actually gonna go back to talking about Rent the Runway. Honestly, kind of a high-key stand. My hack is if you're trying to get gorgeous designer pieces for cheap, ThredUp and Rent the Runway have formed an alliance. If you guys have been following on this channel for a while, honestly, for a long time, I kind of had a vendetta against ThredUp because they just did not have a good selection of things. Things were pricey for not great selection. But I really do feel like they've kind of stepped up. There is some digging involved, but my hack is really to just go straight to the Rent the Runway section and then also just to like search by brand and stuff. And I'm sure if you follow any fashion or thrifting people, you guys already know the spiel. My secret is now yours. Well, cool. That is all I have got for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this fun on the go tips type video. Honestly, really liked the experience of vlogging the tips. You guys will have to let me know what you guys think. If you guys want to keep up with me throughout the week, you guys can find me on, oh my gosh, apparently you guys can find me in the sunlight. Oh, my retinas. But anyways, you guys can find me on TikTok and on Instagram at Jessica Neistadt. And I am also about to leave on a huge, amazing, incredible trip. And if you guys want to see that, make sure you guys are subscribed over here because I will be vlogging the journey and also sharing stuff on TikTok and on Instagram. And I am definitely out of breath, but I hope you enjoyed. Once again, thank you for watching. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.